This tutorial I am going to show how to find out the gradient of an expression with the help of calculator. Let's see first without calculator how we can find out the gradient. Say one example, if the equation is given y equals to x square minus 3x plus 2, one quadratic equation. If we differentiate that one, we got from there dy by dx, which gives us 2x minus 3. So I'm going to find out sum of the gradient by using manually. Say if x equals to 0, what is the value of the gradient? Say x equals to minus 1, then x equals to plus 1, positive 1. Then if I use here x equals to negative 2, x equals to positive 2, what is the gradient we got from there? Let me check. For the first part, if we consider x equals to 0, then gradient of the expression we got 2 into 0 minus 3, which gives us minus 3. So similar procedure, if we use x equals to minus 1, we got the gradient, and we can express gradient as m. M stands for the gradient, we know. So 2 into minus 1 minus 3, it gives us minus 5. Then later on we will check with that value with the calculator. So next, if I put x equals to 1, then we would get from there 2 into 1 minus 3, which gives us minus 1. If we use x equals to minus 2, then we got from here 2 into minus 2 minus 3, which gives us 2 to the minus 4 minus 3, which gives us minus 7. Then the last one, m, if we use the positive 2, then it 2 into 2 minus 3, which is 4 minus 3, the plus 1. So this is the total working of the gradient if we use manual calculation. And let me consider the gradient with the calculator. I'm going to open the calculator. This is our calculator. With this calculator, if you want to perform this gradient one by one, I'm going to show the first one. This is the first one. If I use x equals to 1, let me check. We needed to write the equation first. So press the shift button from here, shift. Then in this button, integration sign is given here, shift. If we press here, then the function coming here with the d by dx of that one, and they're asking for the x value. Just very simple. Let me write the equation, main equation. This is our main equation. We're going to write the equation now. Let me write the equation. We need to use the alpha x square. This is the x square, then minus 3. Press the alpha button from here, alpha, then press here x. This is the equation, x square minus 3x. Then we need to write here plus 2. Now we are going to put the value of x. Press the arrow button on the right side, and the cursor will go to the beside the x, and we are going to put the first value, which is x equals to 0. Then press equals to, we'll get automatic the answer, which is minus 3. Yes, our answer is also minus 3. We got the same answer. So with the same equation, let me check the other. When it is say if I change the limit x value from here, I'm going to give here right now minus 1, and it gives us minus 5. Yeah, we got the minus 5. So we do not need to do the differentiation. With the help of calculator, we also get the full answer from here. The next one, again we are putting the using the same equation. I'm going to do it again, which is positive 1. Positive 1 means only 1. If we put, we got the value minus 1. Yeah, the next one is minus 1. This is our next value minus 1. Next is, if we put a minus 2, let me check. We are putting there minus 2. We got from there minus 7. Yes, our value is minus 7. And the last one is, if we press here put the value instead of x the positive 2. Let me check positive 2. Then we got 1. Yes, we are considering another equation which is y equals to 2x minus 3 to the power 3. Same, we need to differentiate first dy by dx. If we differentiate, we got from here 3, then inter thing, if we differentiate 2x minus 3 and the power is 2, and outside is, if we differentiate 2x minus 3, we got from here 2, so it gives us 6 into 2x minus 3 whole square. So let you consider when x equals to 0, at the point x equals to 0, our gradient is 6 into 0 minus 3 whole square, which gives us, this is the 9 into 6, 9 is the 54, yeah, 54. Then next, if we consider x equals to minus 1, then the gradient we got from here 6 into minus 2 minus 3 whole square, so it gives us 25 into 6 is 150. Let me write 150. Then go for x equals to 1, positive 1, and it gives us 6 into, we are putting the value of x here in that expression, dy by dx expression, 6 into 2 into 1 minus 3, and it gives us 1 square is 1, 1 into 6 is 6. Yep. Let me check with x equals to, if I put here say negative 2, then m we got 6 into minus 2 into 2 minus 3, and it gives us 7 square 49, 49 into 6, which is 294. Yeah. And another, we can use any other value, no problem. Every value should give the similar with the calculator. Manual is the same, definitely. 6 into say 2 into 2 minus 3 whole square, which is gives us, total thing is 1 square into 6, which is 6. Let you use calculator again like previous method. We needed to erase that equation. Let me erase the equation, and I'm going to show it again. Just press the shift button from here, then press here where the integration sign, then we got just this expression is written here, dy by dx of something. Now we needed to put the equation, use a bracket first, then the 2 alpha x, then minus 3, close the bracket. Then we need to give here as a power is 3. Now we are going to put our value instead of x. If x equals to 0, then it gives us differentiation, and putting the value together, we got the first value 54. We got it when x equals to 0, our value is 54. And next one, let we put the value minus 1, and it gives us 150. This is the second one, 150. So now move to the next one. If the value is x equals to 1, and that is the 6. If x equals to 1, that is the value 6 we got. Yeah, x equals to 1. Next same, so x equals to minus 2, so 294. Yeah, we got the differentiation, and this is the gradient of the tangent we are getting from there. And next x value, say positive 2, if we consider positive 2, so this is the positive 2, we can say positive 2 gives us 6. Yeah, so we got the positive 2 is a 6. So like that we can use any other values. Say if we use here positive 3, then we got the gradient, say how much, 54. We can use any other value, no problem. If we use here say 7, then the value we got from here 726. If we do it manually, if we do it with your calculator, we will get the same value, no doubt it. So if we use the 10, let me say 1734. Oh, we got from there. We also can use the fraction value, say if I wanted to use the 2 by 3, say 2 by 3, we can write the 2 by 3, then you can get the gradient here. This is the, yeah, we got the gradient in point. We also use the another fraction, say fraction is say 0.5. If we use the 0.5, the value we got from there, which is 24. So this is our total working. So without